FFIE stock appears to be rallying within a longer term bearish trend. In the regular session of today, the 18th of October 2023, it closed at $1.74, a gain of 26.09% on above average volume of 19.6 million shares. So on Friday, or I think on Monday, the 16th of late Monday on the 16th of October, the company indicated that it plans to reduce cost through several initiatives, including the insourcing of capital intensive systems and cutting its reliance on external funding as part of a strategy to help the company achieve sustainability and profitability. The company said one of its near-term objectives is meaningfully reducing people costs and other general administrative expenses that are not directly related to the production of its FF91 2.0 futurist alliance electric vehicle, as well as cost reductions for futurist alliance materials and production. So as part of the plan, Faraday Future will stop entering into new convertible note commitments with a structure similar to existing convertible notes and suspend its equity line of credit program. That's what the company indicated. But we also know that a week before, the founder was presented with one of those vehicles, the FFIE 91 2.0 Futurist Alliance EV, and he was saying that the company is making efforts to attract institutional and strategic investors to address the capital requirements for production ramp up. So I don't see how they're going to do that without issuing more shares or convertible notes. I mean, it's definitely going to be something along the lines of that it's going to be dilutive somehow, some way. They mentioned equity credit line, but there's usually not very much from such lines. The most of the significant and tangible funding usually comes from dilutions and all that stuff. So let's just get into what happened today, the 18th of October, and what's in store for the stock, what the projections are. So let's have a look here, and we can see, this is a 4-hour chart for the stock. So we can see this goes all the way back to sometime in August of this year, early to mid-August. So you can see the stock continue to decay from the highs of $22.57. I think they did a reverse split or something like that. I think so. Let's see, a reverse split is saying here occurred in late August, so 1,480. So so in any case, the decay continued to occur, and from Wednesday the 27th, it's flatlined. It's just of late that it began to show strength. It's just of late that with all of these started to occur. Let's see. Yes, just today that it just significantly rose above this sideways movement that we are looking at right now. So if we come down to, let's just see, it's not that it's going to help that much. This is what's going on right now in this post-market session. The stock is reached the highs of around more than probably close to $1.8. Okay, let's it's not really going to help that much because it's just passing. It's just a 1-minute chart. So let's look at the 1-day chart and see what we're talking about here. So this upward movement really hasn't been sufficiently recorded on this chart, but we have that there is an upper projection of really ambitious projection of $22.05, and then there's before that there's 14.38, and then below that there's around let's see, below that we have 11.32, a couple of all bunched up there, but I think pretty much what the 10-day moving average is projecting is just a sideways movement as well. So let's look at the 1-month chart and see, 1-week chart, and see what's going on here. On the 1-week chart, it's projected that its 10-week moving average will continue to show strength until up till 20th of November at a price of $19.31. and then begin to and then decay thereafter to $10.29. So this is, I mean, we were seeing very ambitious upper projections on this 1 week chart. So there is absolutely no guarantee that is going to happen. The stock is currently trading at 1.74, and let's look at the 1 month chart. Okay, look at what we have here is upper projection as well on the 1 month chart. So progressively from next month, the 1st of November, it's yeah, really ambitious, 56.21. So do I need to go any further? The next one is 82.73. The next one is okay, 157.86. okay, I mean, you get the gist, you get the drift. So but in any case, the company is indicating that they are going to ramp up production. They are seeking funding to ramp up production. They are going to stop convertible notes and all that, some of the things they've been doing and all that stuff. So I don't know how the money is going to come, because they need the money, and they definitely don't have that money. They need the funding to ramp up production, but in any case, I'm beginning, just by recording this video, I'm beginning to feel that maybe, if they have been able to line up some other sort of investors, some other sort of investors, the stock may be pumped up. It may be pumped up, and then it may be pumped up for a liquidation to occur. And I think it might be fair enough. It's gone up if it's pumped up. I mean, no matter how, it sounds a bit dodgy to say pumped up, but that's the nature of the game. That happens there. And if it's pumped up, it's also run up. It has made some gains, So yeah, if that happens, well, it would have made some gains, and then nothing really stops it from going down. I mean, if they pump it up, they're going to take their money out. If it wasn't this so-called pumped up, either way, people drive up the price of the stock, and they also take their money out. So I'm having this gut feeling that this may be what may happen. We may see further gains, maybe, because maybe, all these are just conspiracy theories of mine. They may do that to it may happen so that they can maybe raise funds, dilute more after the pump up, and then to raise more funds and go from there. Yeah, so see what you make of FFIE, and I can't even say what sort of projections I can. The projections are all jumbled up here. Okay, let's just say something like let's just put it modestly at $3.65. 3.65. Let's just put it that way. There's actually projection there on this 1 day chart. So yeah, just see what you make of it, and just be really careful. If it's pumped up, if it rallies, continues to rally, then make the most of it. Right now, investors are currently paying high prices for the stock, and near-term selling pressure has given way to accumulation as things stand right now. So once again, see what you make of FFIE, and thank you very much for watching this video.